this paper burr, okay? Wow. Channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple paper airplane. This paper airplanes can fold in a few minutes and you will love it. So let's start. First of all, let's fold the paper in half this way. And then unfold the paper. Next step, let's start from this upper edge, fold both sides to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Make sure that both sides are even. It is okay if you have a small gap between the two parts of the paper. Now let's start from this tip first straight to this edge. And now let's start from this upper edge, fold both sides of the edge to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. And now let's fold this part of the paper up to fold both sides of the paper together. And now you can press the paper down. Okay, let's move it up a little bit more. Now let's press the paper down, and on the following step, let's flip the paper over and start from this tip for straight to this intersection. So imagine that you have a straight line from this corner to this corner, and it's intersect with this crease right here. So for this part down, you can see that it's maybe off a little bit, but it should be okay. So I will adjust it and press the paper down. Make sure that let's press down hard. Okay, and on the following step, I'll fold this part of the paper up like this. You can see that I fold up so I can create the head of the bird. So just fold straight up and press the paper down. Make sure that it's matched with the center crease as well. Okay, press this down and then fold the paper in half and press this. Now we have the head of the bird. We are going to create the wings for the bird. So I move it up a little bit so you can see it clearly. Now I'll fold this part of the paper toward the other side to create the wings of the bird. So I can start from here, which is the head of the bird, and then make a straight fold to this line. So it will be like this. Make sure that you fold this part longer than the other top here. That will have the bird fly well. Once you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Very simple, and rest out the paper. And now I can flatten the paper, the wings, and hold up. So this is what you should have for now. At the end of the wings, I will fold up to create stabilizers, or you can actually curve the wings up. I just fold one and I fold a little bit more, and then I unfold the paper. I start from this edge, I fold to this crease, the crease that we just make, and here you go. So I have a very cool wings, right? I repeat the same fold for the other side. To do that, I need to fold the paper in half, and then I see the crease from the other side. I will use this as a reference. I fold down like this first, but then actually I will fold back up. Okay, so I have a crease, I'll fold back up. just like the other one, I have a crease, a second crease. So just for it's small here, just create another crease, and then I'll start from this edge upward to the first crease that we make. Here we go. So we have the wings of the bird, and let me fold the wings down, and you will see it's curved. Here we go. So now you can adjust the wings a little bit more or less. Let's take a look at this. This is very simple paper airplane, and it flies very well. This is not a long distance plane, of course, but it can boomerang or it can fly far away. It's fly around. This is a very good paper airplane. If you want, you can create a small elevator at the ends of the wings like I'm doing now, just a small one to make sure that it's fly up. Otherwise you can just flatten it down. Here you go. So just check it out by yourself, and don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make an ultimate paper bird. This is my newest design, and I'm very happy to share with you my favorite design here. This plays very well, and I hope you guys will enjoy.